Meaning of inclusively.
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 Inclusively. The word inclusively refers to the act of including all things or people without exception. It implies a sense of comprehensiveness and openness towards diversity. When something is done inclusively, it means that everyone and everything involved has been taken into account, considered, and included. This approach emphasizes the importance of acknowledging individual differences and promoting equity and fairness. By embracing an inclusive mindset, we can build more diverse and tolerant communities that celebrate differences and foster positive social change for all individuals regardless of their backgrounds, beliefs, or identities.